So wonder what fish eat when you ain't fishing. Puppy drum hole over there. Let's see if they got one over there and I can video a puppy drum. Missed. Sunset over Virginia Creek. Try that other point over there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy butt. Is that a good spot to fish? That's a good spot to fish over there. Good spot to get hung up. Oh. probably have to break the line. Oh, got hung up. Oh, come on now. Give up that ghost. There it goes, it come loose. Oystering. Catching oysters. Pulled that big ass oyster out of that mud. Oyster fish. Break it off. Oh, killed that oyster. Don't get caught killing oysters. That'd be a good one to eat if that was legal. Look at that big oyster. Oh, oh. Last cast. I'm gonna throw it right in the middle. Oh, there he is. Oh, got him, got that puppy drum. Got that puppy drum. I knew there'd be a puppy drum over there. Oh, oh, it's a nice one too. No, that's a damn, look at that flounder, Spot. Spot, look at that flounder. Can you believe that? Lord have mercy. Look at that nice flounder. And I said, last cast, you always got to say last cast. Oh, look at that, Spot. Look at there. Look at that nice fish. I'm like, oh, he wet me. Pooey. Pooey. Let him get back in the water. I'm going to have to cut the line on that one. He'll stay there till I get my cutters. Ooh, thank you, Mr. Flounder. No, maybe I don't have to cut the line. Let me get that de-hooker. Hold on a minute, Spot. Hold on, get down. Well, look at that. Look at that nice damn fish. Get, Spot. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Get back, I can't see. Get now, Spot. I see it now. There you go. Got the hook out. Got the hook out. Now we're gonna let him go. Quit! You biting me, not quit. Get. Let him go over here on this side. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. You gonna swim away? Huh? You already wet me. Come on, get out of here. There you go. Wet me. Oh Lordy. Alright, let's go home and watch Big Brother. What do you think? Huh? Go home and watch Big Brother? Woo! Soaking wet. Damn, I reckon. Woo-wee! I thought that was a puppy drum. He acted like a puppy drum, Spot. That was a bass fisherman. That flounder thought he was a puppy drum. Alright, let's get your shit together. Wrap that net up, because I keep getting tangled up in it. Tangled up in the net and spilling the dog water. Great day. Woo! Well, I'm happier than I don't know what to say. I'm happier than. Happier than the kids on Christmas. Kids at Christmas, Spot. Man, I'm gonna tell you what, boy, that was one hell of a 2-hour fishing trip. 2-hour fishing trip. How's that song go? 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. Oh, the mud on that anchor. Oh, look at the mud. Mud fishing. Woo-hoo! Oh, dog, I reckon. Boy, I couldn't be no more pleased. Alright, let's go home. Let's leave the camera on when we're going home. Land sakes alive. Well, it's shaking. Look at that. Shaking over that last flounder. I said I was going to get a puppy drum and he'd come up with a big old 4-pound flounder. Alrighty. Home, James.